Welcome to everyone from, actually, I can say around the world because we have some friends joining from all the way from South Africa. We know that each of us is very busy and has a lot of things going on, and yet you make a commitment to be here. So let's take a moment to really do a deep breathing and appreciate our presence. Right now, you have 340 days until the end of 2024 because we already spent 25 days. Neuroscience tells us that every second we have a total of 11 million bits coming through our brain, but we only can process 40 to 50 bits of information. So basically, each of us look and experience life through a lens, okay? And that lens is only 40, 50 bits. That lens will determine your state of being. And how can you decide what is the best lens for you? Tonight, I want to introduce you to the lens of grace, which is a mindset that consists of 5 values.
Been involved with the course, I think 3 times now, and it has been life-changing, and every single time I learn something more. And especially, I just wrote in the chat now that the grace breathing has been a lifesaver for me since the very first time that I learned it, and it has saved me from and got me through so many situations.
Taking a class of grace is to learn how to ride a bicycle. Reading a book, going to the website is really not enough. So come here, practice together, leverage the community wisdom. And it's my 3rd or 4th time attending this class. I'm still learning something new every single time.
I just went through, I'm battling a brain tumor right now, and I've had to use the grace breathing and the concepts, and I knew it, but actually apply it and be intentional with it. It's everybody needs it. Look, I'm just going to tell you, everybody just needs it. And because we get so busy in our lives, and like I said in the breakout session, our body takes a toll. I highly encourage you just to take time. It's a gift you're giving yourself.
I know it helps. It's like when you're so busy or when you're overwhelmed with so many things around you, slow down, take a deep breath, and then somehow it's like a light bulb in your head to have solutions to your problem.
I agree with everything that Jenny and Renee and Julian has said. I just want to add one more thing, is that these are things that we think that we know, the concept we know, and it's so common thing that we think we just have it in ourselves. But I would strongly encourage everyone who have the chance to sign up for the class and be part of the community, because you will learn the perspective of others. You hear the experience of others and you share what you go through, and then you hear that, and there's nothing like being part of that community and go through that experience together. And that's the power of grace.
To end this, I just want to share with you something that one of the learner write. Her name is Yvonne Lau, and she's a professional from San Francisco. She said something like this that really resonates with me. Possessing a grace mindset means having a complete awareness and ownership of your mind, body, and soul, and completely stepping into your power each and every day. By gaining mastery over your thoughts, you allow your spirit to completely live without judgment and fear, and the physical body follows in suit. Living in grace is consciously choosing to love myself every day. And in doing so, I choose to love others without judgment. I no longer need to look to others and external factors for their love or acceptance, because my cup and my heart are already full with true love. These are just like music when in my heart when I read this, and it resonates so well with the spirit of grace.